Hi, this is Morgan from Sherwood Dodge, and I'm going to show you this Dodge Grand Caravan. Here is the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT in Granite Crystal. So it comes with 17-inch aluminum wheels, a remote start engine, as well as keyless entry. And we'll go take a look at the engine. Under the hood, it has a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar VVT engine, powering a 6-speed automatic transmission. Moving down this Grand Caravan, it comes with touring suspension. It also has power sliding doors on each side, so you can hit the button on the remote twice and the doors will open. And there is also buttons in the front seat as well as the back to open and close them as well. So those buttons are located right there. Those leather seats do continue in the second and third row. So the third row, you have a bench seat. Both second and third row have stow and go. So the stow and go access for the second row seats are right there. It does also come with rear DVD entertainment and its own rear AC and heat controls. So to close the doors, you can hit the buttons on the remote as well, or hit those buttons inside. Making our way to the back, it does come prepped and ready with a receiving hitch. It also has a backup camera with rear park assist, as well as rear parking sensors. So there are sensors located right there. It also has a power lift gate. So if you hit the button on the remote twice, it will open nicely for you. And I'll quickly show you how easy it is to use the stow and go seats. So here is the trunk space with the third row up. It is very deep. So you just pull 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then you have it down just like that. So you pull 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then that's what it looks like with the third row down. And we'll go take a look at the features inside. Inside this Grand Caravan, it does come equipped with Bluetooth. So you have your Bluetooth command buttons right there, the buttons that control what you see on the dash, as well as the cruise controls. It comes with a 6.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen display, fully equipped with Sirius XM as well as navigation. There also is a backup camera which will automatically appear on the screen when in reverse. It does have that rear park assist, so those lines will nicely guide you into any stall, letting you know if you're getting too close to any vehicle or object. Moving down, you have your AC and heat controls for the front and the rear. This van also comes with heated seats with 2 preset temperature settings and a heated steering wheel. There's lots of room for storage in here, so you have storage bin here, as well as a bin underneath. It comes with leather seats. Again, they are heated. And right here in the center console where the mirror is where their controls are for the power lift gate as well as both power sliding doors. And if you push this down, you actually have a mirror where you can spy on your rear passengers. Hi, this is Morgan from Sherwood Dodge. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on this GT, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.